When you have cracks, splits, or other minor damage on plastic or metal surfaces and you need a quick repair, use Polyvance's UV Fast Patch. This self-adhesive patch cures quickly when exposed to UV light, forming a rock-hard, tough, fiber-reinforced patch that will create a long-lasting temporary or even permanent repair. This video will show you how to use Polyvance's UV Fast Patch. Polyvance's 2044-3 UV Fast Patch can help you get going again when a minor mishap threatens to spoil the fun. UV Fast Patch is a self-adhesive patch which conforms to the contours of the part you need to fix. Then, after exposure to the sun or UV light, it cures rock hard, forming a long-lasting temporary or even permanent repair. UV Fast Patch is packaged in a sealed aluminum foil pouch to protect it from UV light exposure. The patch is 4.5 by 6 inches square, so it can cover small to medium-sized damage. You can cut the film with a knife or scissors to customize its size to fit the job. Put the unused portion back in the film pouch to keep it from being exposed to UV light. The patch has two peel-off films. A white film covers the self-adhesive side, and a clear protective film covers the top side. To use UV Fast Patch, clean up the surrounding area using window cleaner if possible. It's best to apply UV Fast Patch in a shaded area, because if you use it in full sunlight, it will begin to harden within seconds. Peel off the white film backing and immediately apply to the cleaned surface. Press the patch firmly to the surface, using the film itself to smooth out the wrinkles and to make sure it conforms completely to the surface all the way around. After you have it pressed down, peel off the outer clear film. Expose the patch to sunlight or another source of UV light. The patch will cure rock hard in about 5 minutes in full sunlight, and could take up to an hour to cure on a cloudy day. UV Fast Patch will stick to virtually any rigid substrate: plastic, metal, wood, ceramic, or fiberglass. When you have a small accident around the factory, for example, UV Fast Patch can save the day. Notice how the UV Fast Patch tightly conforms to the contours of the sheet metal siding to create a durable, long-lasting repair that will prevent rainwater ingress until a permanent repair can be made. Once the patch is cured, it can be painted to match. UV Fast Patch has great adhesion and toughness thanks to its fiberglass composite construction. See how much abuse the patch can take, even on a polyethylene kayak. Don't let a minor mishap spoil the fun. Keep a UV Fast Patch around the house, at the business, in your vehicle, or on your boat to make quick repairs that will get you back in business quickly. Purchase your UV Fast Patch at www.polyvance.com or call 800-633-3047.